Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to create a small Discord server step by step. So without further ado, let's get right into it. My name is Kevin, and if you don't know what Discord is, then don't worry, I'll give you a quick rundown. Discord is a chat service that can be used by anyone to communicate with their friends or peers and is free to use. It can also be used to create servers to communicate with massive amounts of people at once. For this video though, we'll be focusing on how to make a small server for you and your friends to use for personal fun. So, for this video tutorial, all you need is a PC or mobile device with an internet connection and a Discord app downloaded and ready to go. So, for step 1, you're going to want to click on the green plus icon on the top left of your screen, and then click on Create My Own Server. We'll pick For Me and My Friends, and we will click Create for now. Once you have made your server, it is time to set up an overall theme. You can pick any theme that you wish, but for this tutorial video, we will go with a beach theme. The first thing to do is to click on your server's name, where a drop-down will appear, and then click on Server Settings. Here you can see all the settings that you can do for your server. So if you click on the Server Profile Image prompt, you can pick which image you want, and I'll go ahead and put a beach here for the theme. But you may put whatever image you like that goes in correlation with your theme. I'll go ahead and also title the server name The Beach Hut. Once you have finished, you click Save Changes, and you may exit. So, for our next step, we are going to make some text channels and voice channels. Remember, this is a tutorial for a small Discord server for you and your friends, so we are going to try and keep it compact and simple. So make sure you have backed out of the server settings page and are on the server main page. On the top left of your screen, next to the text that reads Text Channels, there is a plus icon. Go ahead and click that icon. It'll lead you to where you can make your first text channel. Remember, depending on your theme, you can title this channel however you like. So I'll go ahead and call it The Beach Shore to keep in with our overall beach theme. I'll also go ahead and create a couple more text channels as well, such as Beach Pics for image sharing, and also Beach Gaming for gaming related topics. Remember, you can make as much channels as you like, or you can keep it small if you wish as well. Next up is to make some voice channels. As it is very similar to text channels, you want to also click on the plus icon next to voice channels to make a voice channel with any theme that you want. Make sure to click on the voice option and then title your voice channel however you want. I'll go ahead and call mine The Beach Cove. One thing to note as well, if you want, you can also limit the amount of people that can join your voice channels. So if you join the voice channel, you can see a small settings icon to the right. If you are on a mobile device, you're going to want to go ahead and hold down on the voice channel, and when the prompt appears, go ahead and tap Edit Channel. When you are on the voice channel settings, you'll see an overview of the channel settings, and there you can scroll down and see the user limit. You can set it to whatever number you like, so only that certain amount of people can join. I'll go ahead and set mine to 4. Remember to click Save Your Changes, and then exit out. For the final step now, all you have to do is go back to the server overview again. So for this, you want to click on your server name again. This time, you're going to want to click on Invite People, and then click on Copy next to the link. This is so you can use that link to send to your friends so that they can join your new Discord server. And there you have it. That's how you create a small Discord server for you and your friends. I'm glad that I was able to help, and if anyone has any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.